Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to see if your printer gets offline, what to do. Let's get started. One of the main thing is it's because of network IP. Okay, in my case, see, let's check my printer. Okay, it's device printer and this is Xerox Phaser 3250. It's showing offline. Now let's see what the IP of this printer. Right click over here, printer properties. Okay, we on go to port and just move it over here. It's showing 192.168.0.105. Let's just test is it working or not. Okay, you have to type ping space 192.168.0.105 whatever your IP is and space dash t. Okay, see it's showing request timeout. Now we'll change it to online mode. Okay, see, go on go on to the internet connection, network connection, right bottom side, open network, change adapter setting, right click on the local area connection, go to properties, internet protocol, use the following IP. Okay, 192.168.0. This is your router ID, by default router ID. Okay, you have to just change the gateway to, suppose it's 1, then you have to go to 2. Just write 2, then click OK. OK. Okay, now see, it says your printer is now online. Reply. See, let's again once again see. Go to my computer and go to network. See, it we are also showing Xerox Phaser 3250. Now you can print and enjoy. Thank you.